crack in the pavement, I'm a slip knot. I'm afraid that my fortress is a glass box. I should know what I'm playing, but I forgot. Felt good for a day, but that stopped. And I once saw it clearly, but it's bloodshot. I want you so badly, but I close off. Like I thought we'd get married, but I guess not. Now you can watch me hit the wall, hit the wall. I just hit the wall. I'm not a problem you can solve, weighing the cost impossible. I hit the wall, I hit the wall. I try to be violent, but I get caught. A room full of doctors and an ink blot. I'm drawn into headlights of a blind spot. Pull over and wait for too long. And I want to be stable, but I do cave. I use when I'm able, I downgrade. And I barely deserve you if you do stay. I wish you would anyway. And I hit the wall, I just hit the wall. I'm not a problem you can solve, weighing the cost impossible. I hit the wall, I hit the wall. In a case of you playing the hallway, hallucinations I downplay. And I'm numb till I'm aching for the sharp pain. Watch my blade ricochet. Funny, ain't it? Flashbacks of my life. What a waste of, what a shame at night. Face to face with every girl that I tried to play. Sooner or later, you'll find out I live in a pattern of breakdowns. You'll bend to my silence so loud, then you'll lose me to the crowd. Hit the wall, I just hit the wall. I'm not a problem you can solve. Hit the wall, I just